Have you ever noticed that halfway through the school day you feel gross, sweaty, and don't smell that great? It would be great if you were able to smell fresh all day, wouldn't it? In this video, we're going to discuss some powerful methods on how you can stay fresh all day. Whether if you're in school, work, or wherever you can use these tips to smell amazing, it's essential to remember that everybody's body is unique. What works for one person might be tweaking for another. Pay attention to your body's signals and adapt accordingly. Number 1, trusting your routine. It's a known fact that we get accustomed to our own scents. This is called Knowles blindness. So you don't really know if you actually smell good a few hours into the day, or if you stink so. Rather than slipping your armpits every hour, establish and trust a robust daily routine. This will ensure you're always one step ahead of any potential odor. Number 2, the importance of showers. Now, while it might sound obvious, the power of a refreshing shower can't be stressed enough. First, let's talk about those steaming hot showers that you love. While they might feel relaxing, especially in cold weather, it can strip the skin of its natural oils, leaving it dry and more prone to retaining odors. On the flip side, a cold shower can be invigorating and help tighten pores. So start with warm water but end a tad cooler. It'll leave you feeling awake, refreshed, and your skin will thank you. Try using a gentle exfoliant in the shower to remove dead skin cells, which can sometimes retain odors. Pro tip: rotate between a few different body wash scents, so you never become nose blind to your own freshness. Number 3, hidden hair smell. Your hair can absolutely smell terrible, and you would never notice it. And it all starts with your scalp before we jump into products and routines. It's essential to understand that your scalp is the foundation of your hair's health and scent. A healthy scalp means healthier, fresher smelling hair. So always pay attention to the signals your scalp sends you. Is it dry, oily, itchy? Identifying these signs can help you pick the right products. Always choose a shampoo based on your hair and scalp's needs. If you've got an oily scalp, go for something. Balancing dry hair, look for moisturizing properties. The way you actually wash your hair matters too. But I bet no one ever told you how to use shampoos and conditioners properly. Always start by rinsing your hair with lukewarm water. It opens the hair cuticles and helps to remove any dirt or oil when applying shampoo. Focus on the scalp. That's where most of the oil builds up the mid-lengths and the ends get cleaned as you rinse. And when you condition, focus on the lengths and ends of your hair to avoid making your scalp oily. Try leaving a tiny bit of conditioner in your hair, especially if you've got curly or wavy hair. It can act as a leave-in conditioner, helping your hair stay moisturized, less frizzy, and scented for longer. After washing, there are a plethora of products that can keep your hair smelling fresh. Hair mists, leave-in conditioners, and even scented hair oils can give that just washed. Aroma. Number 4, deodorant decoded first. Let's demystify sweet. Contrary to popular belief, sweet itself is odorless. It's the bacteria on our skin breaking down the sweet that causes odor. Understanding this is key because the right deodorant doesn't just mask the smell but tackles the root of the problem. There's a difference between antiperspirants and deodorants. Antiperspirants block sweet glands, reducing the amount of perspiration. If you're more concerned about the wetness, antiperspirants are the way to go, while deodorants neutralize odor by killing the bacteria. But if odor is your primary worry, a deodorant is your best bet. Make sure you buy a non-aluminum-based deodorant. Aluminum-based ones can clog the sweat ducts, stopping the flow of sweat to the skin's surface. Sometimes they get absorbed by the skin and can cause health issues. While most deodorants claim to last all day, depending on your activity level and body chemistry, you might need to reapply. Keeping a travel-sized version in your bag can be a lifesaver, especially on hot days or after gym class. Number 5, fragrance basics. Fragrances aren't about masking. They're about enhancing the best time to apply. Perfume is right after a shower. The moisture helps lock in the scent. Oil-based perfumes mix with your natural oils, releasing the fragrance slowly and generally, lasting longer. Alcohol-based ones are more volatile, which means they can be more potent initially, but might not last as long. Factors like your diet, your body chemistry, and even your mood can influence how perfume smells on you. Always test on your skin and give it a few hours. It can evolve quite differently from that first spritz. Apply your fragrance to pulse points, such as the wrists behind the ears, base of the throat, inside the elbows, and behind the knees. These areas emit heat, which can help to diffuse and amplify the aroma of your fragrance. Don't rub your fragrance after applying the fragrance. Many people tend to rub their wrists together. This can break down the scent, making it fade faster. Spritzing some fragrance onto your hair can make the scent linger for longer, as hair strands retain fragrance really well. While it's generally best to apply perfume directly to your skin, spraying a little bit on your clothes can help the scent last longer. Number 6. Fresh clothes. Fresh clothes begins with proper care, regular washing, using fabric-friendly detergents, and ensuring complete drying can prevent odor buildup. Also, giving your clothes a rest, stay between wears, allows the fibers to regain their shape and breathe, so that they're fresh the next day. The clothing materials you choose can also greatly influence how you smell throughout the day. When it comes to breathability, natural fibers like cotton, linen, and wool are your best friends. These materials allow for better air circulation, reducing sweat retention, and the growth of odor-causing bacteria. Synthetic trap heat and moisture, making you stink faster. Number 7. Freshness kit. There are days when everything seems to run smoothly, and then there are those unexpected moments when we wish we had a little backup. Enter the Freshness Emergency Kit. The basic essentials wipes. Whether they're general cleansing wipes or facial ones, they're perfect for a quick refresh, helping remove dirt, oil, or sweat travel. Deodorant. A mini-sized deodorant can be a lifesaver, especially after gym class. Toothbrush and mini toothpaste. Keep your breath fresh all day in between classes or after lunch. Number 8. Foods that influence freshness. The saying, "you are what you eat," takes on a literal meaning. When it comes to staying fresh all day, the food we ingest is broken down into particles, and certain compounds in them are released through our sweat, influencing our natural body. Odor foods. To be cautious of consuming a lot of spicy food can cause us to sweat more and can also change the scent of our perspiration. Garlic and onions are both packed with health benefits, but they contain sulfur compounds that are absorbed into our bloodstream and expelled through our breath and pores. Red meat can be harder for our bodies to digest, leading to gut issues and a stronger body odor. Alcohol and caffeine dry out your mouth, leading to bad breath. It can also increase perspiration. Foods that boost freshness: lemons, oranges, and grapefruits can neutralize strong body odors. Green tea contains polyphenols that can help combat bad breath. Yogurt is rich in probiotics and aids in digestion. Herbs like parsley, basil, and mint can act as natural breath fresheners. Foods high in fiber, especially with vegetables and whole grains, can help improve digestion. Water plays a crucial role in keeping you fresh. It aids in digestion, flushes out toxins, and keeps your mouth hydrated, reducing the risk of bad breath. Drink at least 8 cups a day and even more if you're active. Number 9. Details matter. We've covered the big players in maintaining freshness throughout the day. But what about the small things, those seemingly minute details that can often be overlooked? Keep your nails clean. Dirt and dry easily accumulate under your nails regularly. Cleaning and trimming them not only looks neat, but also avoids trapping unwanted bacteria. Moisturized nails and cuticles can get dry. A dab of moisturizer or cuticle oil can keep them looking healthy and clean. Regular oral hygiene. Brushing is crucial, but flossing helps in areas where a toothbrush can't reach. Rinse with mouthwash for an extra layer of freshness. Use a mouthwash that doesn't contain alcohol, as it will dry out your mouth. Tidy up. Ensure your school bag, notebooks, and even electronic devices are clean. Dirt and bacteria can transfer onto your hands, which can touch your face, leading to breakouts and a feeling of grimminess. With all that said, this was our complete guide to staying fresh at school, work, or anywhere else you need to be. Make sure to subscribe for much more.